Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Woo!
The extreme rotary is fully set, but it's meant to go. And then I'll turn it back down.
checking out the scenery.
Car's too loud. Why is there a piece of wood on the front of it?
Are we getting noise complaints?
You are a noise complaint. The chief noise complaint.
Man, this was a big turnout today, huh?
Pretty good. It's like,
Yeah, man.
did you listen to the podcast?
You got a podcast?
Yeah, go listen to it. It's good.
Where's the link? Where can we find
It's
it?
on Facebook. Go to the Magic Scout 10 Facebook page.
Hell yeah, we're gonna do that.
It's solid.
That sounds solid. You gonna go to Logan's?
What's at Logan's?
Isn't that where like the Ferraris and all them go eat and stuff?
That was like 10 years ago.
This guy's just gonna put you on camera.
I know.
Just deal with it.
I'm gonna put him on blast if he's gonna put me on camera. Are we like Facebook Live or what's going on?
You never know.
You never know, man.
Is it just?
What's up?
What's up?
What up,
people
Tom?
On the internet. How's it going?
What up?
What up, dudes?
So do you want to hear the funny story
So
about
tell
how
us
hard
about,
the
what is
Tesla
this car
was?
Yeah.
first? What is this?
All right, so it's a Tesla Model S, and this is the P90D. So that means it's the performance version, it's the dual motor, and it's a 90 kilowatt hour battery. So it's like 320 miles of range, but more importantly, it is fast. So they claim like 2.8 0 to 60, and my buddy Timmy here can verify that.
2.8 0 to 60.
Yeah, so we tried to time it. We had Wilson in the back seat. I was like, all right, he had his phone in his hand, and I was like, when I hit it, when I punch it, hit it, it launches so hard that his phone came out of his hand
literally
and hit his
dropped his
fucking
phone.
face.
What?
Yes, he couldn't hold on
It's
to
like,
his phone.
you ever ridden
Yeah.
one of those roller coasters
Yeah.
that just like launches you? It's basically
Yeah, we had
that,
to
but
do
in
it
a car.
again. Yeah.
Can we get a Tesla?
Drive it like 2 miles.
Shoot, how much do you think this car retails for?
Brand new 142.
Jeez,
Oh.
Yeah.
that is fucking
Yeah,
insane.
that's the only downside.
Yeah.
That's like 1 million puppies.
That's a lot of
That, you have
puppies.
to
So-
put it in like a cell phone.
If you measure that in puppies and Keystone Light, it's a lot either way.
What the?
And
It's
kittens.
like 100 million Keystone Lights.
Think of the
a
designer
lot.
kittens.
All right.
So here we go. I'm gonna do full stop.
All right, I'm gonna hold on to my
Like,
phone
get
here.
head
You said
back.
Tim lost
Oh,
his
here we
phone.
go. Yeah. So head back.
Okay, head back.
And then here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
And it just pulls and pulls and pulls.
Oh,
And
that first like 60 feet is.
1.
Oh my God!
And it just pulls and pulls and pulls.
Oh! Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Do it again. Let me get straight in this lane here. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
goes.
Ooh, dude. My girlfriend's gonna love this shit. She's gonna absolutely love this.
Dude, I love, like, the first person that I gave a ride in this, I didn't tell him anything other than, hey, put your head back against the headrest.
You have to do that.
And she's screaming, what the heck? And I'm like, oh yeah, it's fast.
Appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and following and commenting. I like to keep this channel interesting. You know, this stuff is my love and my hobby, and it's a passion of mine. I love rotary cars. I love music. I love trumpet. I love lots of stuff, man. But for me, building something is what it's all about. You know, there's no better feeling than working on your own project, spending lots of time and lots of hours and going through lots of you know, troubleshooting and figuring things out and talking to people and meeting people, you know, and you come to problems and issues and stuff like that, and you work through them, and at the end of it, when you go and you take that thing for the first ride, there's no words to describe that feeling. You just, that's what it's all about. That's what this is, you know, that's what it's all about. And I hope that this channel can give you a little bit of insight into what that feels like and encourage people to do the same thing. That's what it's all about. It's all about the experience and doing something because you love it.